research gap is so important because it will make your paper impactful, innovative. Now that you've gone to the literature, identifying the key papers that are related to your study, you actually want to go back to your research question and make any adjustments to it. If the study you're trying to propose has already been done, then look at perhaps a different population, look perhaps at a slightly different outcome, or even an exposure as well. So you're still coming out with a clear research question, but now it's really informed by the research gap that you have identified. A lot of medical students actually have a research question and they just look very superficially and then they say, this has been done. But if we look deeper, but your well-defined research question may have already been done before, so you may have to pivot to a slightly different population, outcome, or even exposure. So to summarize, to find your research gap, the first step is to have a clear, well-defined research question. The second step is actually to compile the papers that are related to your research question. And then the third step is actually going back to your research question and further refining it. So there you have it. Hopefully these 3 steps will get you on your way to find your research gap. The research gap is so important because it will make your paper impactful, innovative. See you next time.